Welcome to English Odyssey, your home for simple stories that inspire and help you grow. Today's story is about Leo, a boy who started with nothing, but with heart and hard work, he became something great. This is a story of hope, a story of belief. This is From Zero to Hero. Paragraph 1. A hard start. In a small, quiet town, there lived a young boy named Leo. Leo was not popular. He was not fast, not strong, and not the best student in school. Some kids made fun of him. They laughed when he made mistakes. They pointed at him and said, "You will never be great." Their words hurt Leo deeply. He felt like he was not good enough. Many times he wanted to give up. But there was a tiny voice inside him that whispered, "Don't stop. Keep going." That small voice became his light on dark days. Leo walked to school every day, even when it rained. His shoes were old. His backpack was heavy. But still, he walked. He listened in class. He tried to answer questions even when he wasn't sure. Sometimes he was wrong. Sometimes he was laughed at. But he kept trying. At night, while others watched TV or played games, Leo studied. He read slowly but carefully. He didn't have all the answers, but he had the will to learn. He told himself, "One day I will be better." No one believed in Leo, but Leo started to believe in himself. And that belief, even if small, was enough to start something big. Paragraph 2. Many failures, one dream. Leo wanted to grow. He wanted to be someone strong and smart. He tried many things. He joined the school running team. He ran as fast as he could, but he always came last. He joined the school quiz team. He studied hard, but he didn't know many answers. The team lost, and some kids said, "Leo's bad luck." That made him feel sad, but he didn't quit. Leo had a dream. He wanted to be the best version of himself. He wrote his dream on paper. It said, "I will become stronger, smarter, and kinder every day." He put the paper on his wall. Every morning he looked at it. Every night he read it again. When he felt weak, he said the words out loud. He started to train. He ran every morning. He read a new page each night. He asked questions. He learned from everyone, his teachers, his classmates, even from books. Leo also helped at home. He cleaned. He cooked with his mother. He learned patience. That patience helped him study more. Day by day he grew. He was still slow, but he was moving, and slow movement is still progress. Leo was not looking for fast success. He was looking for real growth. His failures did not stop him. They became lessons. He said, "Each mistake is a step forward." His heart was tired sometimes, but his spirit stayed strong. Paragraph 3. One chance, one change. One morning, Leo's teacher made an announcement. "There will be a school speech contest next month," she said. "I want Leo to join." The class went silent. Some students laughed quietly. Leo was shocked. "Me?" he asked. "Yes," the teacher said. "I see something special in you." At first, Leo wanted to say no. He was afraid. He had never spoken in front of many people. His voice was soft. His hands shook when he got nervous. But that small voice inside him said, "Try. Just try." So he said yes. Leo began to prepare. He wrote his speech on paper. It was simple, but true. The title was, "You Are Not Your Past." Every day after school, he practiced. He stood in front of a mirror. He spoke the words out loud. He recorded his voice and listened. He fixed his mistakes. He asked his teacher for help. She said, "Be honest. Be real. Speak from your heart." The day of the contest came. Leo stood on the stage. His legs shook. The lights were bright. The room was quiet. Then he spoke. His voice was clear. He told his story. He said, "I was always the last. I was the one who failed, but I never gave up. And because I never gave up, I am standing here today." People clapped. Some smiled. Some cried. Leo did not win first prize, but he won something greater. He won respect. He won belief. And most of all, he proved to himself that he could do it. Paragraph 4. The rise begins. After the speech contest, everything started to change. People began to see Leo in a new way. Teachers praised him. Students who once laughed now asked for his help. Leo didn't act proud. He stayed humble. He remembered the pain. He remembered the long nights of study and the slow mornings of running. That memory kept him strong. He joined more school clubs. He helped others with their homework. He practiced speaking every day. He entered more contests, not to win, but to grow. He still made mistakes, but now he welcomed them. He knew each mistake was teaching him something. Leo started a group for kids who felt left out. He called it the Never Give Up Club. Every week they met and talked. They shared stories. They helped each other with schoolwork. They made goals together. Leo told them, "You don't need to be the best. You just need to be better than you were yesterday." Soon, Leo's story reached other schools. He was invited to speak at events. People clapped and said, "He is a true hero." But Leo always said, "I'm just someone who kept trying." He never forgot the quiet boy who had no friends. He still worked hard every day. And he still read his old note on the wall. "I will become stronger, smarter, and kinder every day." Paragraph 5. You are the hero. Leo's journey was not magic. It was not luck. It was effort, day by day. He showed that anyone can rise no matter how low they start. He proved that a quiet voice can speak loudly if it comes from the heart. He taught that being a hero does not mean being perfect. It means never giving up. Today, Leo helps many people. He writes books. He gives speeches. He teaches students who once felt like he did. He tells them, "You are not your past. You are your choices. You are your actions." Many call him a hero, but he smiles and says, "You can be a hero too. This is your moment now. Maybe you feel small. Maybe people don't believe in you. That's okay. You don't need everyone to believe in you. You just need you. Start small. Write your goal. Take one step today. Read a page. Go for a walk. Say something kind. Work a little harder. Try again when you fall." Each small step adds up. One day, you'll look back and see how far you've come. You are not alone. You are strong. You are brave. And one day you will say, just like Leo, "I was a zero, but now I am my own hero." Thanks for watching this story on English Odyssey. If you believe in small steps, daily growth, and never giving up, you're already a hero in the making. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs motivation today. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing. This is English Odyssey.